This is a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL. Black over black interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, remote start, satellite radio, electronic climate control, USB for your phone, heated seats, traction control, power moonroof. There's look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup camera, bed liner, tailgate extender, sliding tonneau cover, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter four-cylinder, so it's fuel efficient. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Honda, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.